Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Hi guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I wanted to get on here before the video starts and let y'all know a little bit about what's been going on. Last week, as y'all know, I uploaded the Shein video, and then I had posted on my Instagram stories that there wasn't going to be a second video on Saturday because Wednesday night I got really ill. I had the worst, what I thought was a stomach bug. It ended up not being a stomach bug because it just progressively got worse and worse and worse. So I ended up going to the doctor and I was diagnosed with a very inflamed colon and a kidney infection. Fun times. So I've been really slow in getting back onto YouTube. I filmed this video last week, and as you're gonna see in this video, I didn't do a try on because I've been so weak. I haven't been able to really eat a whole lot of foods, just really clear liquids and chicken noodle soup and all that nasty stuff. So I wanted to let y'all know that I know this video is not my finest hour. I apologize for that so much. I have so many videos that I have planned, and I'm gonna be working on my background today. I mentioned in last week's video that I was gonna have a Halloween video. Everything was gonna be Halloween themed from this point on. So since I'm behind, I'm gonna continue with my, my Halloween background, but some stuff that I was supposed to film last week and into this week are gonna kind of roll over, as you'll see in the next month's video. So I apologize for that. I know this video is not 100%. You'll probably realize, I mentioned a couple of times, unless I edited it out, how much I've been sweating. And that's usually an indication of me getting sick. And when I filmed this video, which was last Wednesday, that night is when I really started coming down with it. So anyway, I just want to let y'all know that as soon as I possibly can, I'm gonna have everything ready to go, full throttle. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to do that for y'all. I feel like they've been a little lackluster for the past week or so. So if y'all need anything or are looking for any sort of health updates or whatnot, follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm usually the most active. I'm not really active on Facebook, and I'm definitely not active on Twitter. It's just sort of a area that I'm not really comfortable with. So anyway, I've been taking antibiotics. I've been taking Cipro. I had an antibiotic shot. I'm on metronidazole, something or other, and I'm also on something. I can't remember. Some sort of anti-nausea medicine to keep me from vomiting. So anyway, I hope y'all are doing well, and I will be seeing y'all as soon as possible. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye. I wanted to sit on here and talk to y'all about pretty much nonsensical things such as favorite t-shirts. I bought all of these myself, so none of them were sent to me for free. But I've noticed over the course of the last year that anytime that I go on social media such as Facebook or Instagram, their ads, like the algorithm, has pinpointed me down to a science. Like now, if I go on Facebook or I go on Instagram, I can't not click one of the ads because they're so good. I mean, like, it's different stuff, it's odd, it's a little bit weird, right up my alley, of course. And so that's what I kind of wanted to talk about today, some of my favorite t-shirts. One that I found through Instagram or Facebook ads, or two that belong to a friend or something like that. So t-shirts I find are very personal. They either fit you perfectly or they don't fit you at all. And these t-shirts are so unbelievably well made that I couldn't not talk about them on here. So if you've ever heard of the brand PEBBY FOREVEE, the cutest name, I just gotta say, it's the cutest name out there. The brand was actually founded by a woman who started on Etsy. She started her company on Etsy. My nose is running. She founded it on Etsy. She started it from the ground up, and they sell all types of things. They sell t-shirts, mainly as t-shirts, graphic t-shirts and that type of thing, but they also sell bottoms as well. They sell a lot of jewelry, and the vibe that I get from her website is very cool girl, a little bohemian, a little like Mad Max, the 1980s or the 1990s Mad Max, not the reruns or the recreations. But I have 4 or 5 from the brand PEBBY FOREVEE that I found through Instagram or Facebook, one of the two, I'm not really sure which. And then I have some others that I get a lot of questions about here on my channel, either because I wear them to do other videos or I wear them on social media in some capacity. And I get a lot of questions. So people want to know where they're from, how they can get them, links and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be kind of covering all that. But the main focus is going to be on the PEBBY FOREVEE because their t-shirts are just really, really good. So the first one that I wanted to show y'all, it's been my favorite for a really long time. As I mentioned before, I picked up these all with my own money. They are a little bit on the pricier side. I think they're about $34 to $38 a piece. But I love the way they're cut, and they're great for all sizes. So if you're small all the way up to a size 3X, these are gonna look really, really good on you. They're big, they're oversized, and they're very cool, and they look really good with just about anything you wear with them. So this is the first shirt, and it says, "Be kind, it's really not hard to do." And yeah, it pretty much speaks for itself. I love the quality of this t-shirt. It's like a thicker material. And I'm not really sure if you can tell, but all of her t-shirts on the PEBBY FOREVEE website have this cut off detail, so you can roll it up as a cuff or you can tuck it under, kind of like it's like a trendier thing now where people are like tucking it under and putting a shoulder pad right there. It makes it look a little bit more like rugged. And then the bottom is what I find special about it because it doesn't have a hem. So she cuts them all specifically to have a rounded edge, and the sides look like this. So they just fit on the body really nicely if you're wearing them with jeans or with slacks or with leggings. This is a great workout shirt because it covers everything. It covers your butt, it covers your front. So anyway, I picked this one up in a size 3X, and I just love the way that it looks. Be kind, it's really not that hard, super cute, does the job, and yeah, that's the first one. The second one I've been wearing all the time. I actually had to get this one out of the dirty clothes hamper because I wore this one yesterday, and this is what it looks like. So it has Poison on the front, which I'm not really sure if it's the Poison like the band or if it's just like her own thing. So it has this distressing right here. It's got the eagle, and then it has the Poison on here. I will say one critique that I have for this shirt is I find that the graphic is a little sideways, which you may or may not care about, but it's also a little bit on the small side. And let me show you the next one that I picked up from PEBBY FOREVEE. You've probably seen me wear all of these on camera before and on social media because I just legit love them. They are so good, they're so comfortable. I stained this one up so I don't wear it nearly as much, but this is the third one. So you see my little stains right there. It's like oil stains from making a gumbo or something. So yeah, this is kind of like an outside t-shirt or working in the yard t-shirt since I did stain it up already. And then the final one that I picked out from PEBBY FOREVEE. Now I picked these out at different times. So I bought the first one the first time, and then I was like, oh wow, the material is made of really, really good stuff. So then I made another order, and then I made another order. So this is the fourth one that I picked out, and it says West Lafayette Football. And yeah, if y'all are not familiar, I am from Louisiana, born and raised in the Baton Rouge area, but Lafayette is on the west side of Louisiana. My husband and his family are from Lafayette. So this is the fourth one that I picked out, and this one is a little bit softer than the other two. so good. Oh, it just feels so good. It looks good on. So the next group of t-shirts I want to share with y'all, I've worn on my channel several times, and it seems like every single time that I wear them, I get questions, comments, and compliments about every single one of them, and I wanted to go ahead and address it on today's video. Why not? I love this shirt. It is one of my favorites of life. I picked this up about 6 months ago from the website wickedclothes.com. And this is the Serial Killer Documentaries and Chill t-shirt. Creepy, a little weird. And initially, whenever I went on the wickedclothes.com website, first of all, I got another ad. So it was an ad on either Instagram or Facebook. I'm not really sure which. And just a forewarning, if you're not comfortable with occult type topics or that type of thing, witchcraft, a little kind of weird stuff, you might not be comfortable with that website, but really and truly, everything is kind of in fun, and this t-shirt is no exception. I love what it looks like. I love the way that it feels. I love the message because I genuinely love serial killer documentaries. And then the next one that I actually get a lot of comments on is the Munsters t-shirt. So this is what the t-shirt looks like, and this is from Forever 21. I picked this one up about a year or so ago, and I'm not really sure if they have it. If I could find it, I will link it in the description box below. But I picked this up in a size 2X. It's made of 100% cotton, and I loved the Munsters. When I was growing up, I watched the Munsters all the time. I think it was only like 1 or 2 seasons, but nonetheless, I really loved it. I love how graphic and cool it looks. I love the color story. I love the black and white and like this kind of neon green slimy look. It is just really fun. And the Munsters, I mean, I love the Munsters. So the final 3 t-shirts that I want to share with y'all are from Walmart. You know, I couldn't have anything without Walmart in here. And they have the brand Free Assembly. I think it's a fairly new brand. It started like last September or something, but I am in love with their t-shirts. They have great quality t-shirts. And these are the men's t-shirts. I think I purchased these on clearance. So they were like $9 or $8 or something. But this is the first one that I wanted to show y'all. So I love this color. It's like a berry, kind of a rusty berry color. I picked this up once again in a size 2X. And you know what's weird is a 2X from one brand is not equivalent to a 2X from another brand. So one is a little bit more snug. One is a little bit more loose. Of course, this one is a men's t-shirt anyway, but this one is definitely bigger. You can wear this over leggings and you won't be able to see anything. And I don't know, I just love this quality. It's very soft, and the material is very well made. Anything from Free Assembly is well made. I have come to realize that they just do a really good job with their stuff. So the men's t-shirts fit definitely a little bit more bigger than the women's t-shirts, that's for sure, because I have bought women's t-shirts from their from the website in the past. So this is the second to last one. This is the one in black, and as you can see, it's a very nice inky black. Once again, I picked this one up in a size 2X. So soft, looks good with everything, nice and big, doesn't cause any problems. It lasts through lots of washing and abuse. And then the last one, which I think I wore in last week's video, I'm not sure, but this is the final one, and I love this color. It's like a hunter green color, and that is the perfect like fall going into winter color. This really beautiful like emerald, foresty, like pine green, and it is so pretty, so soft. I don't think I've washed this one yet, so it's still like in pristine condition. But each one of them have this little tag on the side that shows you that it's from the brand Free Assembly. So really cute, very easy, and yeah, that is the final t-shirt that I wanted to show y'all. So I'm not really even sure if this video is going to get a lot of views or whatever, but I really enjoy just kind of getting on here and talking to y'all about nonsense. You know, I don't do it enough. I need to do it more. I need to just like shoot the shit with y'all and be done with it. But with everything going on lately, I have been so busy. I have a daughter who's a senior in high school. I have another daughter who is in college. She lives, you know, in a dorm right now. And so all of my time is going towards my daughter who's in band. She has to perform for Friday Night Football. So I'm trying to like film 2 videos and also juggle that and give her enough time and cook dinner and keep everything clean. And it's a struggle. It's a struggle, and I'm losing my voice. So anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. If y'all like this type of video, let me know. If you just want me to sit down and talk and, you know, just word vomit all over everything, I can do that anytime. I'm pretty good at that because I'll sit here and talk all day long. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon.